Okay, we arrived, no entrance. No entrance, but I think the entrance is somewhere there. We arrived to the spring, and where is the tickets? Hello. Hello.
Hi. Can I help you?
Yeah, we want to go swim.
Yeah.
This way.
Okay.
Okay. But let's check first if we want.
Yeah.
We want to see first.
If the water
is
then
dirty,
what's
we
the
don't
point?
want.
Oh, sorry.
Let's go see. I want to see and come back. 1 minute, we want to see water. If it's dirty, we don't want. 1 minute there and come back. We buy ticket and then we don't want to swim.
Sorry, pick it over there.
We want to see and come back. 1 minute.
Why? Fuck it, you know what?
Let's go. They didn't let us even check, so we are going somewhere else. We are having lunch, almost done. And it seems like there is no places to go around. So we are gonna go to the spring and done for today. See you later at the spring. We bought tickets, one is $6 and one is $3, something like that. I will swim, she will not swim. Can I go ahead with the GoPro?
Can you wait?
Yes, I can wait.
I can go ahead with the GoPro.
Okay. Oh, dressing room. I'm gonna give me my shorts. Hold the camera, I'm gonna go wear my shorts. I changed my shorts. This path is 700 meters. We are gonna walk first and then go swim. Nice! This entrance is closed because the water is too high. I can take photos of you if you want. Done. Why is it closed here? Yeah. Exit. Let's go back. Yeah. Now I can take a video of you. And this is the swimming place. We are gonna swim. And this is the swimming and jumping place. You can kayak, but we've been kayaking a lot recently, so we are not gonna do that. It's not big. Another place with a slide is closed because the water level is too high. So I'm gonna jump from there. What? There.
I don't know, she's showing me something else. 15 to do.
30.
30, yes. 30. Right.
Ah, you pay 50?
Yeah, 50.
And you give 20 back?
Yeah. Hey, you. 15. 30. 2.
Okay, we'll see. Where are you? No, I just asked where you are.
I can take this folder from my phone maybe.
Where are you gonna... Is there a place to hold?
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody's having so much fun.
Yes. Alright, let's go jump. You are sitting here.
I'm keeping a watch on ourselves.
So now I need to climb here first. The current is super strong. The water is super cold. So that's why probably you have to wear jacket, life jacket, because it seems like there were a few deaths, accidents here. Here it is. Whew. Nice. I'm gonna go walk with the GoPro around there. I'm gonna show you around on that romantic spot. I think I will jump again and then go that way. Nice. The camera is too hot probably. Alright, what to do? Oh, I already hit myself somewhere. Nice. Paradise. Better than Thailand. Finished my beer already?
Yeah, we're sharing.
I'm kidding. Oh. Okay.
I took videos for my phone for stories.
For stories, okay.